Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I will explain you how to build a linear model in machine learning. So in the simple linear model which handles the simple linear regression where you have the equation like y is equals to mx plus c, and this is where y is your dependent and x is the independent. Okay, now initially if I take consider the first step includes extract data. After that I will go to explanatory data analysis. I have to explain what the data contains. EDA. And the third step, after explanatory data, explaining the data content, I will build then feature e- extraction. Fourth step will be me model building. After building the model, I have to predict, means testing. And final step, visualize the results. So this is what the steps that comes under simple linear regression. In the extract data, what I will do, I will import the pandas package. I will read the data from CSV file or Excel file. In the explanatory data analysis, I will get the information about the data of the CSV file, whether it contains the null values or not, and information about each column and its respective data types. After that, I will do feature extraction, which comes where I will take the x and y, which is nothing but independent and dependent variables. I will separate those features. In the model building, after extracting, I will build a model based on the features that I have. Say, if I have the 100% data, out of that, I will give 70% of the data to the training and 30% of the data to the testing. After building a model, I have to check whether the model is exactly fitted or not, or performing well or not. For that, after building a model, I have to predict. I will do that step here. After predicting, I have to visualize the data between the raw data and final results. Means after predicting what is the expected output, what was the actual output. That the step that I will do here. So let's do this in the next video. I will explain each and everything.